How to create a TradeLocker account. Here's how to create one step by step. Step 1. TradeLocker doesn't offer direct signups. Instead, it works through supported brokers like HeroFX, Glownode, or True Forex Funds. So first, visit your broker's official website. Step 2. Click Sign Up or Get Funded and create an account with the broker. You'll need to verify your email, fill in personal details, and possibly upload KYC documents. Step 3. Once you're logged into your broker dashboard, select a challenge, demo, or live account that supports TradeLocker as a platform. Step 4. After purchasing or activating the account, the broker will email you or display your TradeLocker login details, including the server account number and password. Step 5. Now go to TradeLocker.com or download the TradeLocker mobile app. Tap Login, enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your live or demo dashboard. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.